WhatsApp has introduced a built-in feature that allows users to create, organize, and share custom sticker packs directly within the app. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then navigate to any individual or group chat. Tap on any sticker you have sent or received that you want to add to your sticker pack. A menu will pop up from the bottom, showing the new Add to Sticker Pack option. If you don't see it, please update your app. Now tap on it to proceed. Enter a name for your sticker pack. Then tap Save. The selected sticker will then be added to your newly created sticker pack. If you would like, you can keep adding more stickers to the same pack later. You will see your created sticker pack in the Stickers section. Tap the three dots next to the pack name to access options like editing the sticker pack, renaming it, sharing it with your contacts using Send, or deleting the pack entirely. And that's everything you need to know about creating and customizing your own sticker pack on WhatsApp.